Hey, welcome to the We Are No Code YouTube channel. My name is Kyle and I'm the CTO of We Are No Code. In this channel, we help you and guide you on how to create your own online business without having any technical background knowledge or without knowing how to code yourself. So yeah, if you don't want to spend years learning how to become a developer or a programmer, this channel is for you. With no-code tools, you can create your own online business ideas like websites, MVPs, startups, apps, whatever you want to build without knowing how to code. And you don't even need a lot of money, a lot of time hiring expensive developers. This all can be done using no-code tools and with the learnings you are going to get from this channel. So if you don't want to miss anything, we are going to be posting every week fresh content teaching you how to build online business, how to validate your ideas, how to build a startup, how to use no-code tools. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. And with the tips and tricks we are going to share here on the channel, you are going to be able to create your own online business from scratch. And even without being a technical person and having a lot of background in the tech space. That's the power of no code. So if you want to join this adventure of building your own online business and creating your startup or MVP from scratch, just follow us, subscribe to the channel because we release videos every week on this subject. So yeah, that's it for now. Hope you like it and stay tuned on the We Are No Code YouTube channel. And also, I invite you to visit our website, WeAreNoCode.com, and check our program. That's it for now. Hope you like this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.